Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, herzlich willkommen, meine liebe Leute, zu meinem Video über Deutsch lernen. A Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So let's start.
Fröhliche Weihnachten, frohes neues Jahr.
Okay, so we have here for the beginners or people who do not have enough vocabularies to understand many sentences in German, and they find translating movies still very difficult. So you have to put in your mind some vocabularies or as much as you can in this stage. So the idea of this glossa is to get the order of the alphabet or alphabetical order. This helps you to remember words better. So it's abbauen, a and b, and then a, abend, and aber, and so on. Okay, so let's get started, and this will help you also to make this or test yourself this beautiful way. If you make this white, now you can put what you put here. The meaning here is the English and here is the German, so you can test yourself, and after you finish you can close the sheet without saving, and you can make this every time. Okay, so let's get started. So here is abbauen. Abbauen, it means dismantle or dismantle or destroy. So ich werde den PC abbauen. Something like this, dismantle. And we have here der Abend, and the plural is die Abende. Die Abende. Der Abend means Eve. Ich wünsche Ihnen guten or einen guten Abend. So guten Abend and gute Nacht. We have here guten Abend. Das Abendkleid, die Abendkleider, evening dress. Ein schönes Abendkleid. Schönes because it is das neutral. Der Abendmensch, das Abendkleid, die Abendkleider, der Abendmensch. Der Abendmensch is the person who loves to not sleep early. So sie ist ein Abendmensch. Ein Abendmensch, Abendmensch, Abendmenschen, evening human. Aber it means but. I agree with you, but. So it's used to show that it is contrast or in contrast to what you say, there is something else. So aber Gegensatz is contrast to I agree with you, but. So we use it here as a contrast. Also, it is very useful to be used in many other situations. So it is a Füllwort or filler word, Füllwort. Okay. Here is abfahren. Abfahren means depart. Depart. Der Bus fährt 7 Uhr ab. Abfahren. Abfahren. Okay. So it means depart. After that, der Abfall. So we have here abfallen, depart. Abfall, der Abfall, it means garbage. And the plural is abfälle. Abfälle. So after that, we have abhängen. It means depend. Abhängen. Abhängen, after abhängen, we use von+Dat. So it means depend on. Hänge von dir ab. It's depend on yourself. Hänge von dir ab. Depend abhängen on yourself, von dir. So after that, we have das Abitur. It's the high school. Okay. This is Ich liebe mein Abitur, the high school. Of course, generally, ich liebe meine Schule. Schule, it means school, but the high school itself is Abitur. After finishing the high school, you get the high school certification. So it is a high school certification, das Abiturzeugnis. Das Abiturzeugnis. Also, the plural is Abiturzeugnisse. Abiturzeugnisse. Abitur. Yes. Yeah, from German to English. High school graduation certificate. Nisse. Okay, Nisse. It means many certifications. Okay. So we have here, just put S. S. Okay. Abiturzeugnisse. Die Abiturzeugnisse. Das Abiturzeugnis. After that, this is the Ich habe vor vielen Jahren mein Abiturzeugnis gemacht. I had my, sorry, there is something wrong with copy from the keyboard sometimes with this software. Okay, I graduated from high school many years ago. I got my certification. Ich habe vor vielen Jahren mein Abiturzeugnis gemacht. Okay, let's continue. We have here ablehnen. Ablehnen, it means reject. Reject. Okay, let's see if we have here an example. Okay, we have here wir werden den Abfall täglich los. We have here an example for Abfall. Wir werden den Abfall täglich los. What does it mean? We get rid of the trash every day. So the trash, it means Abfall, der Abfall, because here it's an objective. Wir werden, we get rid of täglich. Täglich means daily, every day. We get rid of, wir werden den Abfall täglich los. Los, off. Okay, we get rid of. Well, ich liebe mein Abitur. Okay, reject. Reject means ablehnen. We do not have an example for it, but doesn't matter. Ablehnen means reject. I reject your report. I reject your report. Ich lehne Ihren Bericht ab. Okay. Let's put it here and put it like this. Ich lehne Ihren Bericht ab. So I have here ablehnen means reject. Ich lehne Ihren Bericht ab. Let's listen.
Ich lehne Ihren Bericht ab.
Yeah, ablehnen. 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 I have here ablehnen. German.
Ablehnen.
Ablehnen. Yeah. Ich lehne Ihren Bericht ab. So ablehnen, ableiten, ableitung, ableitungen. So you remember it this way. That's why I'm doing this Excel sheet. So we have ablehnen, ableiten. Ableiten means derive. Derive this equation. Derive this equation. Derive this equation. To derive the equation means in German, yeah, leiten Sie die Gleichung her. Okay, derive the equation. Equation means Gleichung. to derive leiten Sie die Gleichung herleiten. So we have here herleiten, it means also derive, okay? Leiten Sie die Gleichung her or derive the equation. It's the same. So we have here ableiten, so let's make it ableiten, and also we have herleiten, ableiten and herleiten. So we have here ableiten, leiten, derive, herleiten, derive, the same. So ich lerne Ihren Bereich ableiten, leite, yeah, you can make it ableiten, okay, leiten Sie die Gleichung ableiten, okay, so ableitung, the derivation itself, it is ableitung, the ableitung, and the plural is ableitungen, die Ableitungen. Okay, leiten Sie die Gleichung ab, and we have here the Ableitung. Show me the derivations of the equations. Show me the derivation of the equations. Zeigen Sie mir die Ableitungen der Gleichungen. This is awesome. So we have here, zeigen Sie mir, show me, please, bitte, mir die Ableitungen der Gleichungen. Der Ableitungen der Gleichungen. So Gleichungen, equations. Okay? So it's the end of this video or this sheet, and we have here also we can add your pictures to make it to enhance your memory. So thank you so much. The next video we're gonna continue filling a new sheet. Okay, we're gonna use make a new sheet and insert some words until we finish many words that starts with a, and then we can move to b and so on. Okay, so for these tutorials it will be from A to Z. To put many words in your mind, then you can move to the highest level, which is translating movies. Okay, thank you so much. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.